In this video, I will show you how to find an Alipay account number the easy way. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Alipay topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to find an Alipay account number the easy way. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your Alipay. Then after open up your Alipay, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on account and security. So right here, you have your Alipay account number. It can either be your mobile number or your email address. So basically, you can use the two options right here to send money into your Alipay account number. Either the number you use to open the Alipay or the email address you link to the Alipay account number. So the two can be successful to receive funds into your Alipay. So basically, this is how to find an Alipay account number in an easy way. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Alipay topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.